Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, the code execution cannot proceed because Steam API 64.dll was not found, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows Security, and then you're going to go into Virus and Threat Protection, you're going to go into Protection History, and here you should have a Steam API 64.dll in here. So you're just going to click on it and then click restore. And after that, you're going to go into virus and threat protection settings. You're going to go into manage settings on virus and threat protection. You're going to scroll down, click add or remove exclusions, click yes, go into add an exclusion, click folder, go to your GTA 5's directory, click select folder on here. If you don't have the file in your protection history, then you're going to download the file. So you just open up your web browser, go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to scroll down, download emuwinrelease.7z, open it up. Now open up your GTA folder, and here you're going to go into release, regular, and now you have x32 and x64. So whichever file you need, either 32-bit one or 64-bit one, you're going to paste the file in here. And once you paste the file, you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will work correctly now. You will not get that code execution error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.